Just face the curtain with a bow. Forget about your scene. Give the audience a grin. Enjoy it. It's your last chance anyhow.
So always look on the bright side of death. Just before you draw your terminal breath.
Life's a piece of shit when you look at it. Life's a laugh and death's a joke, it's true. You'll see it's all a show. Keep 'em laughing as you go. Just remember that the last laugh is on you. And
always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the right side of life.
Come on, Brian, cheer up.
Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the right side of life.
Worst things happen to see, you know.
Always look on the right side
What
of
you got to
life.
lose? You know, you come from nothing, you're going back to nothing. What you lost?
Always
Nothing.
look on the right side of life.
Nothing will come from nothing, you know what I say? Cheer up, you old bugger. Come on, give us a grin. There you are. See? The end of the film. Incidentally, this record's available in the foyer.
Always look on the right
Someone's got to live as well, you know.
side.
Who do you think pays for all this rubbish?
Always look
They'll make the money back, you know.
right side of life.
I told him. I said to him, Bernie, I said, they'll never make that money back.
Always